right, guys. I got a good one here.
My wife messaged you,
Yeah.
and she sent me a link to
To all of our stuff.
your you on the marketplace.
Yeah, like I post.
On marketplace, like
I post
card.
on Facebook and everything.
Yeah, you post on Facebook. Oh,
Yeah.
that's where she found you on Facebook.
Yeah, because I texted her back this morning on Facebook.
And
So, okay, all right. So we're here with Mr. James. We got a 2010 Chevy Traverse. Obviously, I've already looked at this thing quite a bit, but someone put a compressor in, and they've got a no start situation. So see here on 5-volt reference 1, 2, and 3, and we've got a 5-volt 3 circuit failure. That runs our APP, our throttle body, our crank sensor, and AC transducer. So we unplugged everything. The last one I got to was our transducer on the AC. Let me see if I can get this pulled back up and show you where we found our problem. Let's see here. All right.
I'm saying all my family to you.
Someone's gonna get mad at me. All right, let's see if we can put the phone here for you guys.
It's a good 10 years old.
It lasted its life. Okay, guys, we're gonna do just a quick repair here. Nothing extremely fancy, enough to get them back on the road, and then they can kind of deal with their air conditioning, make sure all that works. But this is going to be tight.
That's the Chevy Traverse.
Yep.
Yeah, tight built.
So look at that. All three of them wires were chewed up and they were twisted, making the 5-volt get shorted to ground.
Yeah, I'm gonna show that to the wife.
So we got lucky that he had a line laying around with another harness on it. So we're gonna just use this.
Thank you, Gavin's Auto Parts.
Hey, for real.
That's where I got the compressor from. And
hey, if it works,
clip.
Yeah.
Get it out of there.
Just be careful with it, using something that's used.
The compressor?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's almost to the 30-day. Almost.
Yeah. Well, we're going to find out today.
In a couple weeks. It was like the 1st of July.
I got you.
Well, it was like, it was the 15th, I believe it was. So, yeah, it's almost a month. Coming up a month now. You ever had a situation where stuff just started happening like a domino effect?
Yeah. Definitely. Oh. Definitely that happens quite frequently.
This went down. We were trying to get the AC fixed so we could go on a trip with both vehicles because we were going to have personal issues out of town. We were going to take both cars, but things happened where we didn't have to do that. But then somebody hit the truck, and it's got a oil leak.
Yeah.
So I was like, God damn, we gotta get this other car running so I can get this worked on.
And so you can just go to work.
Yeah. I'm like the 3rd owner of this car here.
The Traverse?
Yeah, my sister had it before me, and I might be just the second owner. I think she bought it brand new. She got a newer car, and we had a palm tree out front, and something happened to it. It died, and the top fell on my wife's car.
Dang.
So my sister sold us this car here. Needed a battery and power steering hose. Yeah, I think it's a power steering hose or a power steering pump. One of the two. Something to do with the power steering. And then just recently the AC went out, so I think what happened to the AC going out with that switch went bad.
Mm-hmm.
No.
No, the clutch is bad on the other one. Yeah, we proved that the clutch is bad.
Yeah, but the switch went bad when he took it out. Anyway.
Yeah. All right, let me go
Hopefully
grab.
all I gotta do is charge it now, and she'll be all right.
Let me go grab some black tape real quick. It's just a quick repair, guys. Nothing fancy. Just got to get his car back up and going for them. But heat shrink taped. Should be fine at this point. Let's get that sensor plugged back in though. Make sure the sensor's okay too. Okay, we're plugged in. All right, everything's plugged in. And we're still at okay. It's the cell phone number that's on the side of the trailer. Okay, guys, let's make sure she runs. There we go. And she's back up and running. All right, y'all, so that's it. I know you didn't see me chase it down, but there was no reason for it because I wasn't expecting to be able to get this done today. I have other jobs to get to, but I got lucky and it was right there. So, all right, so you saw some of it. You didn't see all of it. But the vehicle, the parts you didn't see, it had codes for the 5-volt reference 3, which is APP sensor, throttle body, so TPS sensors, crank sensor, and AC transducer. So the first one I looked at was a crank because it's underneath the vehicle. All I did was a quick unplug system here. So we unplugged, nothing came back. It was still failed when I unplugged all 4 of those sensors. So we knew it had to be in the wiring, and he told me somebody put a compressor on it, and they happened to use a junkyard compressor, which is fine. But the harness on the transducer was twisted that you saw. And because of that twist, that was what took the circuit down. So you could have found it without the tools, but having the right tools gets the job done. So Mr. James is happy. Car's back up and running. We're on to the next job. I appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Yeah.